Hi guys, what's up? What wanna do? No good? Welcome back to my channel. Today on my channel, guys, I'm gonna be making some cocoa bread, and you know what that serves best with, right? Some good old patty. So I'm gonna be making some cocoa bread here, guys. So these are my ingredients. I'm gonna be using some bread flour here. Have some melted butter, some granulated sugar, cooking oil, olive oils. I have some olive oil here, and I have my instant yeast, some salt. Okay, and I also have my milk that I'm going to be using. I have some whole milk and some coconut milk together. Okay, and with the instant yeast, guys, you just go ahead and dump everything in. I'm going to be using 3 cups of bread flour, and I'm just going to sieve it. 3 cups. This is the third one. I'm going in, guys, with my yeast. Only need 1 pack for this. Just trying to incorporate it in. I'm also going in with 1 teaspoon of salt. My sugar, 1/3 cup. Granulated sugar. Putting in my egg. I always like to break my egg in separate container, guys, just in case it's not good. Don't spoil the whole thing. I'll take this thing out that we call the hide. This white part here. Olive oil. So guys, I'm going in with my melted butter. I'm going in my warm milk. Not too warm, guys. It's easier to use my hands, so you're going in with a clean hands. With your clean hands on, right? This is very soft. You're looking for a soft dough, manageable. And yes, guys, it will be sticky on your hands. Guys, I'm just going to turn this out onto my cutting board here. See how sticky that is? feel like it is too sticky for you to manage, just a little flour. Okay, not a lot. See, not that sticky like before. Just needs a little bit more. In this pan. I'm just putting some plastic wrap over this and the towel, and I'm going to put it in the warmest place. That would be the oven. I'll leave that for an hour, guys. Okay, 1 hour and I'll be back. Here it is, guys. Just take it out of the oven. And as you can see, guys, it's nicely risen. Okay, so I'm just gonna punch the hair out of it. Okay, this is the fun part for me. Woot woot! I play dough. Oh God. Guys, it depends on how big you want, then you can do it on whatever size you want. Okay, I have some flour here, guys, just in case I need it. So I'm just going to rest them in here. Let me dust the pan first so they don't stick. My space is small, guys, so I have to work with it. Alright? Just a little light dust. Just a little light dust. I'm not going to do all of them on camera, guys, so I'm just going to do some and let you see. I'll just roll it into a little ball like so. That's how I do mine anyways. Okay? Guys, I'm gonna do these things on camera and show you. I'm not trying to get them perfectly round, guys. Butter. Okay, and I'm going to close them up like so, but I'm not going to seal the ends, right? It's like you're making patty and you ensure to squeeze the ends so they seal the thing, the stuffing in. You're not doing this with the cocoa bread, okay? You want to have that hope in it. Put it over like so. Alright? Guys, I'm just going to put it in my baking sheet here. Okay? And guys, like I said, it depends on how big you want them. You can go ahead and make them to the size that you want. Alright? fermentation continues until it's baked. These go very well in patty, you know that, right? Yeah, man. Good patty. If you feel like you want to make it look a little neater, you can do just do this. Otherwise, you'll have to see a place standing and you don't have to do nothing. You don't have to cut them off neither. You don't have to. Alright? Like I said, don't seal it. I do it different from the other one, and then I fold it again like so. See that? Alright, before you do, you have to butter. Okay? See that? Guys, I'm just going to put a little olive oil here in this, and that is to just baste my bread before I put them in the oven. Has some butter in it as well. You can use egg wash if you want to. I'm gonna cover these guys. Okay, give them another 15 minutes and then I'll bake them. Alright, just gonna cover them back. So there it is, guys. I'm just going to put them. So when I put them in the oven, they won't dry up. Going to put them in the oven now. Okay. There it is, guys. All done. I'm gonna put them with some more melted butter and olive oil. Okay. Guys, my kitchen is smelling like a bakery. No joke.